channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the unit that I'm wearing. I can't wait to talk about it. So if you want to see what I think about this unit, you know what to do, queen. Stay tuned. Alright queen, so let's just hop right into it. I'm wearing the Outre Perfect Hairline unit. This is how the unit looks when it comes out of the box. I did straighten this unit because I tried to fix a curl in the unit with my flat iron and it ended up just straightening out the unit, so I went ahead and straightened the whole entire unit. So this is a 13x6 lace front unit. It's a Swiss lace unit. It comes with a comb on each side and a comb in the back with adjustable straps and an elastic band. This unit tangles so much, you guys. Like, it tangles. I just brushed it through, but it tangles so much, like so much, and it sheds really bad. So keep that in mind when you go to purchase this unit. I did glue it down only because I felt like I would wear it for at least 2 days, but I really want to take it off now. But it's a really pretty unit. Trying to see what color I got it in. So I got this in D4R Tiramisu. That's the color I got it in. And I have a wig cap on underneath, but I did put powder on the parting so that the parting space will look natural. I really like blonde wigs, so I wanted to try this one out. Other than it tangling like crazy and it's shedding, I really don't have anything negative to say about the unit. The color is really pretty. I like blonde hair so much. I wish I was a natural blonde with dark roots, but I have to wear wigs to get the look that I want. But yeah, I really like the unit. I wish it didn't shed so much and tangle, but this is how the unit came. It came with braids at the top of the unit. It was braided up, like on each side it was braids. I took the braids down and I straightened out the unit, hoping that it wouldn't tangle as badly. But you get what you get with a synthetic unit. I will leave all the deets in the description box below about how much it costs. I think it was about 40 bucks, no more than 40 bucks. I'm not gonna spend that much on a synthetic unit, but it's really pretty. I like the color and I like the roots. I feel like the unit was made really well when it comes to coloring. And you can part it pretty much any way. Let me get my comb. You can part it pretty much any way you want. That you can kind of see my cap underneath that. I think that's about as far as you could go, but it pretty much parts any way you want. You can wear a side part, a middle part, on each side, so it parts pretty much anywhere in the front of the unit. It is 13x6. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have on this unit. I did glue it down, hoping that I will wear it for a little minute, but I think I'm going to take it off. I do have more wigs to review for you queens, so stay tuned for that. Again, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline unit, the style India, in the color D4R Tiramisu. So yeah, that is pretty much all I have for you queens. I hope you all are enjoying your week, your month. I hope this is a good month for all of my queens, and if you want to see more looks with wigs, stay tuned for that. I'll be having more units to review in the coming weeks, so yeah, be on the lookout for that. I wanted to switch it up and kind of do something different from makeup and focus on what I've been rocking on my head. I'm going to try to wear this wig throughout the day because it's on, it's glued down, child, it's glued down. So we're gonna have to rock it out for a few more hours. It isn't tangling as bad as it was at first. but it does tangle and it does shed, child. Shed like a dog. It shed like a dog. I got this unit from ebonyline.com. I usually shop there or Sam's Beauty. So yeah, I got this off Ebony Line, and it's real cute, y'all. Real cute for one day wear, maybe 2 days if you're lucky. But yeah, that is all I have for you queens. I don't want to ramble on too long because it's only a review. But yeah, be on the lookout for more wig reviews from your queen. So yeah, that is all I have. I really hope you guys are enjoying your week and your day. I'm hoping everything is going well, nothing but the best from here. So yeah, I will see you queens on the next one. Bye.